Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to block ads on Twitch using Brave browser extensions. Let's dive right in. First, open your Brave browser and head over to chromewebstore.google.com. This is where you'll find all the extensions you need to enhance your browsing experience and block those annoying ads on Twitch. Once you're on the Chrome Web Store, look at the top search bar and click on it. Now type in uBlock Origin Lite and press enter. This extension is specifically designed to block intrusive ads while keeping your browser running smoothly, making it perfect for uninterrupted Twitch streaming. After the search results appear, you'll see uBlock Origin Lite in the list. Go ahead and click on it to open the extension's main page. This page contains all the details about the extension, including its features and user reviews, but we're here to install it. On the right side of the screen, you'll notice a button that says Add to Brave. Click on it to begin the installation process. This will prompt Brave to prepare the extension for installation and integrate it into your browser. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the installation. Click Add Extension to proceed. The extension will now be added to your Brave browser, and you'll see it appear in your extensions toolbar once the installation is complete. Next, locate the extension button in the right panel of your browser. Click on it to open uBlock Origin Lite. This allows you to access the extension's settings and ensure it's running properly to block ads on Twitch and other websites. Alternatively, if you want to adjust Brave's built-in ad blocking settings, click on the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner of your browser. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to Brave's main configuration area where you can customize various browser features. In the Settings page, look at the left panel and click on Shields. Brave Shields is a powerful feature that blocks trackers, ads, and other unwanted content across all the websites you visit. It's an essential tool for maintaining privacy and improving your browsing experience. Now find the section labeled Trackers and Ads Blocking. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down and select Aggressive from the available options. This setting enhances Brave's ad blocking capabilities, ensuring that even the most persistent ads on Twitch are completely blocked. And that's it. You can now watch Twitch without any ads interrupting your streams. Between uBlock Origin Lite and Brave's aggressive shield setting, you've created a powerful ad blocking setup that will keep your viewing experience smooth and uninterrupted. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.